Hi, I'm Erica Devlin with Rovithis Realty, and I'm at this beautiful property at 10 Manse Road in Somers, Connecticut. I'd like to invite you inside for a personal tour. Let's go. I hope you enjoyed your personal tour of 10 Manse Road in Somers, Connecticut. If you have questions about this listing or any other listing, please feel free to contact me at the number below. At Rovithis Realty, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.